Huh? Come in the car track. 153 got the other track. Alright folks, this is where we're at for today. We got NS Intermodal Train 213 coming southbound through Charlotte Junction. There's the Mainline, Charlotte, North Carolina. So it was told at 4004 black and gray Main was leading. We'll see. Also got a rail train that's going to be coming northbound here shortly in a little bit. I don't know how long it's going to be on 12R. He broke his train in half at pulled his train in half at Chester on the R line, so he's probably going to be a while. Folks, here comes 213. What's that?
Can we get 153 not too far behind him?
Yeah, 153 is working Charlotte Yard, so he shouldn't be too long, much longer. This is 4004, folks.
213 clear. Track 2 at Charlotte Junction.
Yes, it is, folks. 4004. And that was NS Intermodal Train 213 heading southbound through Charlotte Junction on the SR line, Charlotte, North Carolina. NS 4004, black and gray Main in the lead. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless. That rail train will probably be next. 153 still working Charlotte.